Find the component form of the vector with an initial point, 1.64, 7.21, and terminal point, negative 2.33, 3.86. So as we learned in this unit, a vector is a quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction. It typically, if you were going to draw it, looks like an arrow that starts at one point and goes to another. In fact, it doesn't really have a position. It could be anywhere, but it's generally the length of that arrow and the angle that it makes with the positive x-axis, which defines it. These 2 points generally, 1.64 to 7.21, 1.64, 7.21 would be a point about here, and the terminal point, negative 2.33, 3.86 would be about here. So that means that we're describing something that has a magnitude, meaning a length, that goes from here to here and has this direction. That's a vector. Okay, in order to find the component form of this vector, you should subtract the terminal point minus the initial point, right? And we write the component form with these angle brackets, right? So we'll say the terminal point goes first, so negative 2.33 minus 1.64, comma. Now subtract the y-coordinates, 3.86 minus 7.21. Okay, if you do the math, you're going to get negative 3.97 and negative 3.35. Right, that's called the component form of a vector. It kind of looks like a point, you know, like these, but the difference between these points and these components are the brackets, right? These parentheses indicate this is a point in the plane. These angle brackets indicate that these are a direction to go in a distance to go in the x direction and a distance to go in the y direction, which is this arrow. Okay, that arrow could be anywhere in the plane. It's still the same vector.